once again, just Ron here. Another unboxing. Please continue to like, hit subscribe, leave comments, feedback on the videos and the direction we're going. So this product off Amazon, of course. Let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so party foul on me. I ordered chopsticks. You know, I'm a big fan of, Asian cuisine, and I like to, eat the curry and sushi and noodles. But what I didn't realize was that these chopsticks are 13-inch. You look at the back, they're 13-inch set of 6, so they're usable. But I didn't realize how big they were. So these will be going back to Amazon. But to show you an example, I'm 6'1", and I'm pretty long arms, and that's my hand. And that's how long the chopsticks are. So I'm not sure what you're going to be eating with these. Maybe it's, I don't know, post the comments below. What do you use 13-inch chopsticks for, right? What do you eat with the, you are eating like a big bowl of ramen, or they're pretty long. So, made out of good material, seems like. But I'm not sure what we can do with them, but we'll try to figure out some use. Probably return them and get the smaller set. I'll do an exchange. Grace trying to send them back and buy it from somewhere else. I really like the design and the art logo on them. Anyway, you can't knock for trying, right? Make sure you order chopsticks. You're looking at the description, really reading the description. They were usable 13 inches. Didn't need 13 inches. Probably need maybe about 7 or 8. But hey, you win some, you lose some, right? Just Run out here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and everybody be safe out there. Take care.